Hi guys, I wanted to do a quick video just to kind of go over how the software tutorials are going to work for the videos. And so a lot of the tutorials are you're going to be faced with a screen just like this, where my cursor is going to be highlighted in this pink color just to make it a little easier to see where my cursor is and what I'm clicking on. And then anytime I click, there'll be a little red circle that kind of pops up, as well as it'll tell you if I left clicked or right clicked. So it says here that I did a left button click. If I double click, it'll also tell you that I double clicked. And the same thing if I do a right click, a little blue circle will pop up and it'll say that I right clicked on something. So my cursor will be there for you to just kind of notice and see, and I'll try to say as much as possible. So if I say I'm going to click on this or double click on this, I'll make sure to say it verbally, but then there's also going to be those cues up on the screen. The other thing that you'll notice on my screen here in the bottom left, I don't know if I'm circling it perfectly or not because I can't see the recording screen right now, is a little keyboard. And that's just an input overlay I put in the videos. So anytime I hit a key on the keyboard, it will highlight there. So as I'm using keyboard shortcuts or maybe typing in specific dimensions, it'll highlight on that keyboard whatever I'm doing. So that way you guys can see what I'm typing in on the keyboard as well. Um, the only thing that I think that keyboard doesn't do well is just that the enter key is really small. So the enter key is pretty big on your keyboard, but on here it's a little tiny. But hopefully my cursor's near it. But other than that, I think that input overlay is great and will be helpful for making sure that you are understanding how my hands are moving, what exactly I'm clicking on, typing in. And finally, a lot of times too, whatever I do type in will get tracked into this command bar line down here, which in the very first video I go over what the command bar is. But as I type things in, the command bar will always prompt us for what command that I'm in and what steps I'm going to take next. So you can always look down there, look at where my cursor is, or look at what I typed in with that little keyboard on the screen to help you out.